Welcome guys. If you want to get Bhangra Boogie emote on your OnePlus 7 Pro, right now I'm gonna show you how to get it. So for the first, let's enter the browser. Add the new card, tap on the search pool and type here OnePlus. Enter the OnePlus website. Right now we have to scroll down, click here, scroll down one more time and tap on the claim your emote. Tap it one more time, and right now we have to sign in to our OnePlus account. Of course, you can also continue with the Google or the Facebook account. So let me just enter. Okay, and right now, as you can see, you have to input your email number and also the PCBA number. So right now I'm going to do this. And right now we are going for the PCBA number. And then tap on the claim your emote button. And as you can see, this is how you can get it. Of course, in my case, these numbers were used, so you cannot get it if you tried. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!